Are you a developer drowning in documentation, code notes, or research papers? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can turn that chaotic mess into a productivity powerhouse? Today, we're diving into the top 5 NotebookLM features every developer needs to use. NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered note-taking tool, is a game-changer for coders like us. By the end of this video, you'll know how to streamline your workflows, learn faster, and even prep content for your own projects. Let's jump in. If you are new to NotebookLM, head over to notebooklm.google.com and create a new notebook. You can set the desired title of the notebook if you want. Okay, let's talk about the features now. First up, AI-powered summarization. This feature lets you upload any document, PDFs, text files, Google Docs, and get a concise summary in seconds. For developers, this is a lifesaver when you're tackling a documentation, 50-page API manual, or a dense machine learning paper. Let's see it in action. Let me upload some documents first. Click on Add Source and select your files. Here, I've got the Python docs, hundreds of pages of goodness. Let it upload into NotebookLM. Once it is done, we can get the summarization using this briefing doc. It may take some time depending on the amount of the source docs we selected. In our case, it is a large documentation, so it will take a bit longer to generate the response. Look at this. It pulls out key points with a brief explanation. It generated separate summarizations for each doc or a chapter of the documentation. No more skimming for hours. Okay, let's go back to the studio and let me upload some text. I have copied this text from the article on AI and machine learning. Let's upload this and play with it. Okay, let me select this text only. As we can see, it automatically generated a note on the Python docs. It says, the provided texts are technical documentation detailing various aspects of the Python programming language and so on. Let's try generating a summary of the text we just uploaded. As we can see, again it generated the summary with key points discussed in the text, like defining AI, the nested hierarchy including machine learning and deep learning. It also includes Gen AI and how Gen AI works in 3 phases. The benefits of AI and a conclusion is also there. So, it generated a nice summary. Trust me, this feature cuts your research time in half. Try researching something now, and let me know what you have learned in the comments below. Okay, moving on to the second feature, audio overviews. This feature turns your uploaded content into a podcast-style discussion with 2 AI hosts. Imagine you have a very long, boring research paper you don't want to read. You can listen to it in a podcast style. Sounds unbelievable, right? Let me show you. I am uploading a paper on TensorFlow. Let me select this doc only and click on the audio overview. It started generating the podcast from this document. This will take a bit longer to generate. Meanwhile, let me show you the doc itself. So this is the document on TensorFlow, a system for large-scale machine learning. This doc covers the motivation behind it, related work done, execution model with data flow graph elements, implementation, evaluation, image classification, language modeling, and so on. Now it's time to listen to the generated podcast.
It seems like everywhere you look these days, machine learning is popping up.
It really is.
Like, what you should watch next on Netflix.
Right.
Or even helping doctors figure out what's wrong with you.
Yeah.
It's kind of mind-blowing, all these complex models crunching mountains.
We can also
of data,
share this with others. If you are working with a team,
really
this is really
software.
useful.
It's
We can
like
download the audio as
they're
well.
becoming the invisible
This feature
force
feels like you
behind,
have a few
well,
people
almost
always
everything.
around
It's
you
true.
who never sleeps.
And a lot of that progress.
This is very useful for introverts like me. But let's get interactive next. Interactive Q&A with your sources. This lets you ask questions about your uploaded docs, and NotebookLM answers with citations. It's like having a personal assistant who's read everything you've got. No more endless Stack Overflow scrolling. Let's dive into some examples to see why this is a developer's dream. All right, I have selected all Python docs from the sources. Now I will ask to explain sorting techniques in Python. As I have selected all docs, it will take a bit longer to generate the response. In NotebookLM, the response time completely depends on the amount of sources selected. So if you can select the least amount of sources possible. As we can see, our response is generated. It did a pretty good job. It mentioned the built-in function, And it added the citation as well so that we can see the source of the information in the doc itself. By the way, the docs do not cover the exact techniques like bubble sort or merge sort, so don't expect that in the response. So according to the docs, it explained about sorting, its key functions, and how it works. Let's try something trickier. Let's try to solve this LeetCode problem. Let me copy the problem statement and ask to NotebookLM to solve this with minimum time complexity and space complexity. Let's see how it solves the problem. Great! We have the sort colors function in the solution. Try this in LeetCode and let me know. Is it correct or not? It solved it with big O of n time complexity and big O of 1 space complexity. It also explained the steps and process it followed to solve the problem. The algorithm used is also mentioned, Dutch national flag algorithm. I think this is a very good response with the explanation. Now let's try asking a question from a specific doc. Let's select this doc related to sockets. Notice that the doc covers creating, using, and disconnecting the socket. With this we can see how dynamic and practical answers it can generate with the specific source. Let me ask this to write a full code example of how to use socket in Python. There we go. We got a response with server configuration code, including exception handling. The client configuration code is also there. Here are the lines to start the server and client. It also explained the server-side code and client-side code. We also got the important considerations from the source with citations. Now you can imagine how this Q&A feature saves time and keeps you focused. Whether you're solving coding challenges, researching ML, or fixing bugs, it's like pair programming with an AI. Next, let's organize all that knowledge. Generate study guides, FAQs, and timelines. This takes your uploads and spits out structured content, perfect for learning or teaching. Let's try it. I will select the TensorFlow doc only and generate the study guide. As we can see, it generated a list of questions. It also has answers for each question. It also included the glossary of key terms. Okay, let's try it with the text we copied earlier on AI and machine learning. Again, it generated the list of questions and answers. It also included the glossary of key terms, same as before. Now let me try generating FAQs for this text. As we can see, it generated questions. What is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning? And so on. We can do the same with the TensorFlow doc. Let's try it. As we can see, it generated questions with brief answers. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning system designed for large-scale operation. It generated good questions with pretty long answers. This feature turns chaos into clarity. Love it. Finally, the last feature we are going to discuss is a centralized knowledge hub with collaboration. NotebookLM stores all your docs and notes in one place, integrated with Google Drive. For developers, this means one spot for your coding challenges, research, and question answers. You can upload from Google Drive or add any website or a YouTube video link as well. We can share this with other people or a collaborator, like your team member. It's perfect for team projects or work in collaboration with other people. One hub, endless possibilities. There you have it. AI summarization, audio overviews, interactive Q&A, generated guides, and a centralized hub. NotebookLM is a must-have for developers like us. Try it out, and let me know your favorite feature in the comments below. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more coding and AI tutorials every week. Thanks for watching. Code smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.